Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use am, is, are in sentence using some examples. Are you excited? Then let's go. Am means I. I am very happy today. I am a teacher. I am your friend. I am about to visit. I am not a doctor. I am sorry. I am a girl. I am proud of you. I am in a meeting. I am coming. I am taking my lunch. I am working. I am feeling hungry. I am worried. I am extremely sorry. Is means आहे. This is a car. This is a bicycle. What is your name? He is running. She is dancing. Hello, is this Aditya? Who is that? He is a doctor. It is time to enjoy. Who is calling? It is a dog. These are my books. These boys are my brothers. We are going out. They are students. We are happy. Buses are running. Why you are asking so? You are singer. We are eating. We are Indians. They are on the hill. Are you going anywhere? They are scholars. Where are you going? You are right. Friends, now make your own sentence by using am, is, are and comment below. Thank you for watching.